Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Adobe genuine Windows alert, how to disable it inside your PC or Windows. So first of all, just open your task manager, just right click on your taskbar and just open the task manager. Inside the task manager list, so basically you will see either the Adobe client, an application like this one, Adobe client inside the running apps or inside the background. As you can see, there are some running Adobe IPC broker and Creative Cloud. You might find the application called Adobe Client or something like that, the name of that notification that you're able to see on your screen. So you need to find it, and let's say like this is the one, and just click on end task and it will basically close. Now the next thing that you need to do is just go inside the search section and search here add or remove programs. Once you're inside inside this section, so in this section you just need to search Adobe, and once you search Adobe, so you will see all the listed applications and the listed, you can say the notifications, everything inside the section. As you can see, After Effects, Illustrator, Media Encoder, everything. So once you see those, just don't install any one of these. You need to find that Adobe Genuine Client message, which also will be installed like this. So these one. So find this one, click on these three lines and click on uninstall. Once you click on uninstall, that client will be removed, or that client pop-up you won't be able to see it in the future. So once you do that, after that just close it and you make sure to restart your PC or Windows as well. Once you do that, hopefully you won't be able to see that message or pop up again inside your PC.